Hello you guys and welcome back to FreeTechTV. I thank you guys for tuning back here today. We have a very exciting video. We got some new updated news from the highly anticipated Microsoft Surface Duo phone that is right around the corner. So I was scrolling online like I normally do on one of my favorite sites, Phone Arena. And if you want to check out the full article, you can do that by clicking the link in the description. But moreover, we're going to take a look at all the updated news that is circling around the Microsoft Surface Duo that includes updated pictures and accessories and even a price target that we can expect to see the phone at. Now, before we dive on into all the juicy and goodness surrounding this device, I'd like to welcome you to this channel. If you're new, please subscribe and make sure to like this video. New tech videos coming out every week. And with that, you guys, let's dive on in. So starting off here, you can see that we have new pictures from new angles here, so you can really get a closer look at the device. Now, to me, this device really resembles that of like the Nintendo DS with the dual screen and foldable hinge there. Now, I do like this design. It is something new that we have not seen yet in the mobile phone space, so very exciting. And also what comes with these newly updates is the accessories. So one thing that is noted is going to be the Microsoft stylus, and as we can see here, it is quite like a full-size stylus, if you will, quite a bit bigger than the S Pen that is seen in the Samsung Galaxy Note series. As well, coming with the phone, we can see that it is going to be packed with a pretty big power brick, so we can expect that to have some quick charging, at least quick charging 3.0 or even faster, as well as a Type-C to C cable there. Now, Microsoft Duo's features and specs. Let's talk about the goodness there. So the Microsoft smartphone this year, we can say it is certainly going to be Microsoft's flagship phone. And what's very exciting about this is that it is going to come with a tweaked version of Android 10 pre-installed rather than Windows 10. Yes, they are dropping the Windows mobile operating system for Android, which is really good because competing with Android just wasn't really working out for Microsoft there. Now, this phone will have two 5.65-inch displays that combine to offer a massive 8.3 inches of valuable screen real estate. So that's awesome. I'm sure games and watching movies and even multitasking is really going to be very nice on this device with the high-end processor coming from Snapdragon. That should be the Snapdragon 855 that we are expecting to see. And we can see that processor is also in a wide range of flagships, including the Galaxy Note 10 and the OnePlus 7 Pro, along with the Google Pixel 4. Now, of course, it will be compatible with 4G LTE connectivity standards and have at least 6 gigabytes of RAM and a minimum of 64 gigabytes of internal storage, although hopefully we will see at least 128 or 256 gigabyte variants as well. One thing that would be nice, but we probably won't see it in this edition, is a 5G version of the Microsoft Duo to really take advantage of the new speeds that we have. You can certainly see by the design with the stylus, with the two screens, that this Microsoft Surface Duo is certainly going to be a productivity powerhouse, but it will also include 11 megapixel camera that will be right above the display, so you can take outstanding selfies or scan documents when folded behind the display. To keep things running, Microsoft has reportedly fitted the device with a 3,460 milliamp hour battery. To me, I feel that is a little bit small, especially when you're powering two screens that size and with all the multitasking that you'll be doing. But hopefully it will have really good fast charging, at least fast charging 3.0, if not something better. But whether the battery life will be impressive will remain to be seen. So now let's talk about the release date and the price. But we may see it even this month towards the end. Anticipated date is going to be August 24th. And with a price tag that's certainly going to compete with some of the top flagships out there. Right now, the rumors are speculating that the price will be approximately $1,400. That is making it more expensive than the Galaxy Z Flip, which is right now $1380, but cheaper than the Motorola Razr, which comes in right at $1499. But that's it, you guys. That has been all the updates and the current specs release of the Microsoft Duo. Very excited for this phone. Hopefully I can get my hands on it. But make sure you guys subscribe. I thank you guys again for watching this video. Like it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. This is FreeTechTV signing off.